Well, good morning. I had to install an additional backup camera because hauling stuff on the back, I can't see, and I need to be able to see. I'll show you. Let me put this in reverse. Oh, what do you see? A big rack. Impedes my vision pretty good. So I installed a dedicated additional backup camera. Imagine that rack down and full of stuff, or a bike rack with a bike back there. You're not going to be able to see anything. So I installed an additional backup camera. This is the monitor for it. It's pretty good. You can see what you need to see. Those lines are actually in the monitor, not the camera. Got your little buttons. It comes with a little remote too. And it's I screwed it up in there with 3/4 inch screws on each corner. And then the wire runs up here. Secured it there. There's a little connector. And it just goes up there, up on top of that shelf, where I have it hooked to a switch and turn it on. Or if you're going to be out driving around running errands, turn it on, and then you can just turn the monitor off when you get out of the vehicle. And then when you get back in ready to go, you just hit that. And you can see where you're going. But it's hooked on the switch, so I can turn it on off with a switch. And I don't have to worry about putting it just... Or you could wire it to your backup light, but I didn't want to do that. Alright, let's go look. Right there's the factory backup camera. And the one I put in is right up there. That's it right there. And that's where it goes through the ceiling. I did have a grommet on that wire. And the instructions did not say how big of a hole to drill, so I had to guesstimate. I guesstimated about right, 3/4 inch hole. Had to kind of jam the grommet in with a screwdriver, but I got it. And the grommet looks like that one over there. See that grommet? It was like that one, kind of. It was on the wire and it would slide. So I did seal it completely with silicone sealant, so I have no leakage. And as you see, the back of my van has a slight curve out. You know, it kind of curves out. So I put it right in the center to get the best view possible. There's a cooler there, so you could see how far that's out. That's probably what, 4 or 5 feet back from the back of the van. And you could see that in the monitor. So you can see pretty good with it. And it does work at night. It's got the little IR dooflitches and diodes, or whatever you want to call those things. Those little white dots around the center. Those light up red at night and provide illumination for the camera. So, got it off Amazon. Not very expensive, like $63 with tax. It was going to be easier than trying to tap into my other security system with cameras. It's just easier to do a separate one. I'm getting ready to talk about that security system, so that'll be in another video. Alright, bye. Oh, for the backup camera, I did have to drop this ceiling back here, take the light out, take this ceiling panel down, brought the wire down right over here, ran it all the way up front to a switch right over there. It's covered up, but it's right over there. So I can sit in the driver's seat, just reach up, hit the switch, turn it on, and then the wires for the monitor are hooked up right back there in that mess. So there it is, there's the monitor. You can see the cooler right back there. And the top edge of that rack at the bottom edge of the screen. So, yeah. I like it. It works pretty good. Alright, bye.